Today's video is just a real fast one on how to manually turn on a timer when you need to turn on some irrigation to see what's going on, fix a leak or something like that, identify or make sure a leak is actually fixed. If you'd like to see more on this subject, please hit the like button to let me know there's interest in
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
On this one, I'm going to go manual operation, and we're going to scroll down to manual station. I'm going to add about 10 minutes. We're going to go to run. Okay.
station.
Okay, so I need a different station, so I'm going to use these left and right arrows to select the station. I'm going to go to station 2.
This particular timer has
and then I'm going to
18
put the
programmable
time for
stations.
5, maybe 6 minutes, and I'll hit run. And now that's going to run station 2.
For 6 minutes. This one was just a basic primer on a fast way of checking if you needed to turn something on to check if a sprinkler repair was successful, or if you needed to identify where a leak was coming from, or if you wanted to map things out. Hope to be going into this a bit more in depth in the future on these particular types of timers and how you can use them in different ways, the different functions, and hope to be going more in depth in this, but I wanted to see if there's actually interest in this, so let me know if you're interested in this particular subject. Thanks for watching. Hope these videos help. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.